In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Thinkorswim desktop. Let's keep this simple and clear so you can wrap up your trading sessions safely. Logging out properly helps protect your account, especially if you're on a shared or work computer, and it makes sure the platform closes cleanly so your next login is smooth. First, open the Thinkorswim desktop app and make sure you're looking at the main platform window. If you've been adjusting charts, watch lists, or your layout, give the app a moment to finish any background syncing. Thinkorswim typically saves changes automatically as you exit, but a short pause helps everything write to disk and prevents any abrupt closures while data is still loading. Next, look for the Windows Close control. On most Windows setups, you'll see the red X button at the top right corner of the Thinkorswim window. If you're on Mac OS, the Close button is the red circle at the top left. Make sure you're clicking the Close control for the main Thinkorswim window, not for a floating tool or detached chart, so the platform knows you want to end the session. Go ahead and click that Close button. When you do, Thinkorswim will prompt you with a small confirmation dialog. This is by design. It's there to prevent accidental exits if you clicked the X by mistake. You'll typically see an option to log out. This is the safest choice because it ends your authenticated session, closes active connections, and prepares the app for a fresh login next time. Click Log Out on that prompt. If you have any unsaved changes or active tasks, Thinkorswim may take a few seconds to close. Let it finish. Don't force quit the application. When the logout completes, the platform will either return you to the login screen or close entirely, depending on your settings. Either outcome means your credentials are cleared from the active session and you're signed out. A quick tip: if you click the Close button by accident and aren't ready to leave, just cancel in the confirmation dialog to stay inside the platform. Also, if you're managing orders or streaming a lot of data, wait for any critical task to finish before logging out so you don't interrupt something important. That's all there is to it. Open Thinkorswim, use the Windows Close button, confirm the prompt, and select Log Out. It's a fast, reliable way to end your session securely and keep your workspace ready for the next time you sign in. Thanks for watching, and keep your account safe by making this